Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have for unboxing another great tool from Festool. This is battery pack 4 ampere with high output power as well with Bluetooth. Let's unbox and see what we get inside. I've bought it from Germany and used Rev shipping company to receive in my country. If you are interested, it comes with 180 cm Systainer. It is, I hope, inside the box. The weight is about 6 kilograms. For it I pay 265 euros plus shipping and customs fee. Let's open and see what we get inside. As I can see, I think the customs services opened and checked what inside. So pay attention on it if you are buying with a shipping company to receive in your country. I will put the link in the description. The price for the kit is okay if you are buying Festool battery, because just the one battery from this kit separately, average price in Europe is about 100 euro. So you received 2 batteries inside the box and 2 battery charger as well, plus Systainer. So in the kit you will save some money if you are buying separately. Let's see what we received. SYS 18V 2x4 ampere batteries with TCL 6 dual battery charger. As well, we can see the information in this photo. Here, part number and other information. Here you can see again some part numbers information, as well information that inside the box we have batteries, so you should pay attention on it. They can be flammable and so on. Let's open and see what we have inside. I do not know this is the whole set of battery tools from Festool, but I think no, because some other tools I know I cannot find in this photo. Let me show you. Here just the photo of battery tools, as well battery types and charger. Now let's look inside. We have user manual in different languages, as you can see. I always recommend people to read the manual, spend 10 minutes and you will find a lot of important information about safety, how to use your tool, some features about which you do not know. So spend that extra 10 minutes, it's very useful, trust me. So here is the table from which you can find out your charger and battery types and check how long you will charge from 0 to 100%. So mine is TCL 6 Duo, so at the same time I can charge 2 batteries, not only 18 volt version, but also, as you can see, 10.8 volt version batteries. Chargers can be used with 220 to 240 volt outlet from your home. Maximum it gives 6 ampere. Output 1, output 2 on both the same 6 amperes. I bought this 4 ampere battery kit, so it should charge about 32 minutes from 0 to 100% if the temperature of the battery in this range. So I will read carefully the other information important in the package and how to use the charger, because it has some warning and some signs. It is better to know what about it. Some huge, I do not know, this is useful thing, original instruction some instruction. I think this is concerning to batteries, and the manual is related to charger. So again, I will read this one too. As I mentioned, we have in the kit 4 ampere batteries. Why I have bought 4 amperes instead of 5 ampere? Because the price difference very small, about 50 euros. There are 2 reasons for that. This is quite thinner and smaller battery than 5 ampere. For extra 1 ampere, the size is about like this. So I will use it with my motor saw, which unboxing video hope you watch in my channel. If not, I will put the link in the description, and soon wait for full review for Knipex miter saw KCS60. So I will use it with the miter saw. As well, we plan to buy some other battery tools from Festool, and it is much more convenient to use this compact, lightweight than big one, and extra 1 ampere for me is not important. It is every cut important for you. In that case, you have to go for 5 ampere kit. Here as well, another benefit of this battery, it is high power output compared with 5 ampere. So it can give you much more power in the same condition compared with 5 ampere version. Bluetooth sign means that this battery with Bluetooth can contact with your vacuum, if your vacuum from Festool has Bluetooth. And it will turn on and off your vacuum when you start using your battery tool. Very nice feature. As well, you can see here a stream. There are other chargers from Festool which have ventilation and cooling battery when you charge it, and they promised much faster charging time compared with this charger, 5-10 minutes about, but I do not know in real life how is it. I do not have that charger and don't use it. In the front of the battery you can see indicator. As we can see, just one, it's I think up to 20%. So I can look at the manual right now and tell exactly, and here you can see 3 division. So we will look at the manual and see how in the percent how much charge still we have in battery. As well, if you download Festool official application, you can connect with Bluetooth with the battery, see exact charge in percent, update firmware, and so on. As I know, but the battery, unfortunately, and many things, made in China, 2023, nearly 1 year battery. So I think such kind of information should be put it in seller's web page, because 1 year battery, 1.5 year battery can lose some its property in the box during this time. And the same for the second one. Let's check again, flashing 1 bar. And let's look at the charger. Quite beefy and heavy charger. It can up to 2 kilograms. I don't know exact weight, just by feeling. And some signs here. Red is clear, fully charged. As you can see, this is 2 ports for 2 different types of battery, 18 and 10 volts version. Very nice thing that holds for mounting on the wall in the front. Just you can mark and tighten on your wall, not on the back like in other many chargers, which you can calculate and all go back and forward to hang on the wall. Here is the path, I think, for the cord to go like this, and the groove for it. Festool think a lot of such kind of a small but very useful, important thing in every day when you use their tools. And let's see information here. The charger again made in China, and the information about the charger. I will look and see what this meaning of the signs in the user manual, and that's it, the box. But you can see here extra 2 storage for another 2 batteries. I think even 5 ampere batteries you will have ability to put here, because as you can see it's a little bit loose here. So I think 5 ampere also will go to this box, and the box is the same for 5 and 4 amperes. Extra battery put with it, or you want band, and you'll have full kit. Now let's see in the user manual. Just let me open English. The signs on the charger. This is information we have looked. Charging station here. As you can see, as I mentioned, reading instruction, very important. This socket, LED yellow, stand light. Charger is ready to use. So when you connect on outlet, I think this yellow light will come and saying you that the charger is okay and ready to start charging. Battery pack is charging, and this illustration also shows that battery charging right now, ready, green, steady light ready. So the charging is full, but as in many other chargers, you should pay attention on your user manual. If it is ready and you leave the battery in the charger, they are continuing to charge it. Let's read. The battery pack is more than 80% charged and ready for use. In the background, the battery pack will continue to charge up to 100%. So if you want 200% charge battery, you should leave the batteries in the charger, I think, till this light goes off, because my other charger doing in the same in that way. Why they're doing this? I can guess that many batteries better to charge from 20 to 80% to make the life of the batteries as long as possible. When you discharge to 0 and charge up to 100% all the time, the degradation of the batteries happening much faster than you keep the range 20 to 80. I think because of that they put 80%, and if you go out to work and need extra charge, you can leave in the charger and get 100%. Important thing which mentioned in the user manual. If you never read user manuals, you may not know about this, and extra 20% which you can see in very rare in outside situations when you need extra charge, you will not able to use because you do not know about it. So LED red flashing, general fault indicator, not in a full contact, short circuit, faulty battery, etc. In this case, it's better to take out and again put the battery in the charger, clean contacts. If nothing helping, you need to go for service to show your battery in charger. LED red, steady light, battery temperature outside the permitted range, as soon as permitted. If your battery temperature goes high and it is not safe to charge, charger will wait up to battery goes to normal charging temperature and then will start or continue to charge. In your batteries there is a special temperature sensor which communicates with chargers and show the battery temperature. It is safety function, very nice to have. Remaining charge, CSCA 16 only. This is not my charger. So that's it, and maybe some other important information which I will read to not make video too long. As well, let's look in the battery manual. Let's see what we have inside. Some illustration and numbers which will find description in these pages. Let's look and see maybe in percent, 1 bar light in the percent. Otherwise you should divide 80-90% by 3 and get each bar light about 30%. If you know correctly, you can leave a comment and tell me now. Just let's go to English. This is the weight, some capacitance indicator button. Okay. Right now I could not find info. Here is the information about the temperature range for charging both in Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. The battery pack should ideally be stored in a cool condition, dry air, humidity, and so on. And here is the information which I look for. 3 bars from 70 to 100%. As I mentioned, it goes up to 30%. 2 bars from 40-70, 1 from 15 to 40, and flashing, like in my case, as you can see, it's flashing. It less than 15%. And some other information. Continuous blue cordless power tool starts up the mobile dust extractor. This information that it connects with your mobile or Bluetooth version dust extractor and communicate with it. The pack is ready connection. So this is information how you connect your battery with your vacuum hose or dust extractor. So that's it. I will put both batteries in charger and count the time how it takes to fully charge. As you saw, the charge is less than 15%, so I will add that information in the description of this video, how long it took from me to fully charge the batteries up to 80%. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.